replacing this one. All of these are undamaged above it. As you can see, with proper tools. Probably needed to still.
Yeah. Look at the nails.
It's not being lifted up to 90 degrees yet. We are inspecting for where the nails are. Again, we are replacing these 3 shingles for this single piece right here, since it's missing due to wind damage.
One nail. Two nails. Okay, make note that the shingle was only secured down with 3 nails.
Wow.
So, problem number 1 right there.
Similar to top shingle.
All right, so lined up.
Yeah.
And then, boom, gap.
Wonder what kind of shingles these are.
Yep. All right.
I can measure that. But
So we'll measure that damaged one when we get to it.
start nailing.
Yep. See that lovely little bastard right there.
We got a roofing hammer. So to nail it properly, it has to be 90 degrees. Okay. You have to break it off. Need 6.
That's 4. 2 more.
No, it should tear off.
You can see we're also doing a snake bite nail pattern. So we're doing it with 6 nails instead of 3.
It's okay.
Alright, as you can see, crease marks where we had to bend the shingles up to get underneath. Roof is unrepairable. That's all she wrote.